whatever missing numbers are there, so we have to write missing numbers. Here skip counting, so we have to understand, so how many numbers we have to skip and we have to write first. In the first question, 101, 102. So here very next number successor is there, so we have to write all successor, no skip, nothing. This is not 100, so this is 1001, 1002, and after that 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So these are all successors from 1001 to 1010. Then the next series 2005, 2010 means 5 gap is there. We have to skip 5 numbers. So 5 skip counting. 2005, 2010, then 2015, 2020, 2025, 2030, then after that 35, 40, 45, 50, like this. 5 numbers we have to increase. 2030, 2035, 2040, 2045, 2050. This is skip counting 5 numbers. 5 numbers we have to skip and we have to write. And here 3010, 3020, 1010 skip counting. 1010 skip counting. 3020, 3030, 3040, 3050, 3060, 3070, 3080, 3090, 3100, 3090 after 90, 100. That is 3100. So 10 skip counting, 5 skip counting. There is no skip counting first. Now here 4020, 4040, 2040 means 2020 skip counting. Here 20 skip counting. 4040, 4060, 4080, 4100, 4100, 4120, 4140, 4160, 4180, then 200, 180 after 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, then 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So in this way we have to skip 20, 20, 20, 20 numbers and we have to write. Next 50, 5050, 5100, 50, 50 skip counting, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. 5000 is common. 5000 is common. In that way we have to skip. 5150, 5200, 5250, 5300, 5350, 5400, 5450, 5500, 50, 50 skip counting. Now 100, 200, here 100 skip counting. 6100, 6200, 6300, 6400, 6500, 6600, 6700, 6800, 6900, then after that 7000. 7000. 6900 after, if you skip 100, then we get 7000. 7000. Next 200, 400, 200 skip counting. Then 7200, 7400, 7600, 7800. Next after 200 skip counting, then we get 8000. 8200, 8400, 8,600, 8,800, 9,000. Then 5,000, 5,500, 500, 500 increases. 5,500, then after increasing 5 means keep counting. 6,000. Then 6,500, 7,000. After that 7,500, 8,000. 8,500, 9,000. After that 9,500. So remaining questions, whatever questions were there, first we have to understand. So what is given, what is the pattern? What is the pattern? If skip counting is given, how many numbers we have to skip, and that many numbers we have to skip, and we have to write further number. If there is no skip counting, we have to take similar, means very next number, that is success rates. Yes, now here write the numbers. Number name is given, so we have to write this number names into numbers. So first question, 7,365. 7,000 means, so we have to take 4 place values. 1,000 is given, so first place value is ones, next is tens, then 100, then 1,000. What is given here? 7,000. So here in thousands place 7. 7,000. 300. In hundreds place 3. 365. 6 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. This is 7,365. The next question, 8,000. 8,000. In thousands place single digit. So total we have 4 digits. First is ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place. Here 8,000. 8,000. 200. 200. 72. 7 is in tens place, 2 is in ones place. 8,272. Next, third question, 5,000. Again this is a 4-digit number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. What is given? 5,000. 5,000. 5 is in thousands place. Next 400. 4 is in hundreds place. 33. In tens place 3. In ones place also 3. 33. 33. Then 6,000. Again 4 place value. First ones, tens, 100 and 1,000. First here given thousands. How many thousands? 6,000. In thousands place 6. Next 200. In hundreds place 2. 61. In tens place 6 and in ones place 1. 61. Next 4-digit number again. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now 9,000. 9 is in thousands place. 200. In hundreds place 2. 38. 38 in tens place 3 and in ones place 38. 38. Now again 4-digit numbers. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000. How many thousand? 8,000. 8 is in thousands place. 52. There is no 100. There is no 100 means hundreds place 0. 52. 5 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. Then again 4-digit number, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 1000, 1000, 1 is in thousands place, 700 in hundreds place 7, 22 in tens place 2, in ones place 2, 22. Next, again 4-digit number, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Then how many thousand? 2000. 2 is in thousands place. 400 in hundreds place 4. 31 in tens place 3 and in ones place 1. 31. So these are the representations, the number names into numbers. So then how many tens, how many hundreds, how many thousands, we have to first find out. According to that, in that place value, we have to write the numeral. Yes, now. So write the numbers in abacus. So here abacus given. So using these bits, so we have to write numbers. Here this is first question. In this first question, thousands, 100, tens and ones. So in ones place, how many bits were there? 2. So we have to write here 2. And here how many bits were there? 1, 2. 2 we have to write here. And here 1, 2, 3. 3 bits we have, then 3. Here 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, 2, 2. So what is our 4-digit number? 3322 we have to write. We have to count number of bits and we have to write the number, and total number we have to write it down. Here in ones place only one bit is there, 1. Here only one bit is there, 1. Here 2 bits were there, 2. Here 2 bits were there, 2. Then what is our number? 2211. 2211. In the same way, so first we have to count how many bits were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bits in tens place. Then 1, 2. 2 bits were there in hundreds place. And 1, 2. 2 bits were there in thousands place. 2245. 2245. Then after that, in ones place no nothing, then 0. In tens place how many bits were there? 1, 2. 2 we have to write. And in hundreds place 1, 2, 3. 3 bits. Here in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 we have to write. Then if nothing is there, we take 0. We should take 0. Then 4320. This is our 4-digit number. This is our 4-digit number. Next, here how many bits are there in ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we have to write first. And tens place 1, 2, 3. 3. In hundreds place nothing means 0. In thousands place 1. Then our 4-digit number is 1035. 1035. In this way we have to count number of bits in ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So we have to write the number, and after that whatever 4-digit number is there, that we have to write it down. Yes friends, before we discuss about if the number names are given, then how to write numbers. Here numbers are given, so we have to write number names. We have to write number names. So in second activity 2 we wrote number names he gave, and we wrote number names into numbers. Now here numbers are given, so these numbers we have to write, these number names we have to write, these number names we have to write. Then first, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is in thousands place, this is in thousands place. Now 3456. How to write? 3456. 3456. 3 is in thousands place, 3000. 4 is in hundreds place, 456. In the same way, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. 7000. 600. 654. 7,654. 54. Now, this is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 8 is in thousands place, that is 8,000. 8 is in thousands place, so 8,000. And 3 is in hundreds place, 300. 392. 92. Next, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. 6 is in thousands place, that is 6,000. And 0 is in hundreds place, no need to take. 1 and 2, that is 12. Now we have to take it 12. 6,012. Next here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 9 is in thousands place, that is 9,000. 9,000. 7 is in hundreds place, 700. 765. So this is the way to write numbers into their number names. Numbers, first we have to write ones, tens, hundred, thousands places. What is there on thousands place, what is there on hundreds place, and what is there on ones place and tens place, according to that. So we have to write the numbers into their number names. Number names. Before in second activity, number names given and we wrote number names to numbers. Here numbers to number names. Numbers to number names. Next, our next topic, place values and face values. So what about the place value and what about the face value? So before also we discussed in our previous classes till 3-digit numbers. Now one more 4-digit number, so we are going to discuss. So all these are 4-digit numbers. When 4-digit number is given, then how to write place value and how to write a face value. Here first, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place and this is thousands place. First we have to write the place value of this 8. 8 is a digit. 8 into the place 8 is in ones place, we have to multiply with 1. 8 ones are 8. This is the place value of this 8. And the face value is whatever the number is here, that number we have to write in face value. And second, 5. 5 place value. So we have to take the digit 5 into 5 is in tens place. So that is why we have to multiply with 10. 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. This is the place value, and the face value is the digit only, the face value. 5 is there, that is the face value. That is the face value. Next, 2 is a digit, and this is in hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place, so we have to multiply with 100. 2 into 100, 200. This is the place value, and face value is the digit. What is that? 2. Next, 7. 7 place value. 7 is a digit, and which is in thousands place. Multiply with 1000. 7 with 1000, 7000. Then this is our place value, and face value is the digit. What is that? 7. So this is the place value and face value. So for place value, digit with the place. If it is in ones place, multiply with 1. If it is in tens place, multiply with 10. If it is in hundreds place, multiply with 100. If it is in thousands place, multiply with 1000. Whatever the answers we have, so those are our place values. Face value means whatever the digit we have, that is the face value.